What's up, everybody? I'm Michael Bargallo. I'm known on Instagram as the main Michael, and I'm going to be teaching you my favorite go-to custom mixes utilizing satire. My Formula 1 for the roots is 1 part satire to 1 part nuclear, equal parts. My Formula 2 on the front piece and ends is 3 parts satire to 1 part nuclear. This is where we enhance the tone and create that beautiful gradient warmth. I'm applying this from the roots, starting with Formula 1, following through the midshaft and ends with Formula 2, working it in to build depth and reflection. I love this technique for longevity. When you layer semis like this, your color fades more gracefully and holds tone longer between appointments. I'm applying Formula 2 into the first inch around the hairline to add reflection around the face and working it through the midshaft and ends. The goal here isn't just coverage, it's enhancement. By layering semis, we're stacking transparent tones on top of each other. That's what gives us that multi-dimensional glowing copper. It reflects light differently through every section. Once this processes, you'll see that the copper has so much more life. It looks healthy, dimensional, and intentional. That's the power of layering your semis, quick, customizable, and incredibly effective for tone enhancement. So remember, your overlay isn't just a finishing step, it's a creative opportunity to rebuild tone, enhance shine, and add longevity to your color. This is also a quick way to add an extra service, either the day of color or in between color services. That's how you turn a dull, faded copper into something rich, dimensional, and full of life. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about satire?